I was born and raised in Dubai, and the war in Iraq and Kuwait started. So things bad happening there. So I ended up in the US, finished my business degree. 1994, I decided to go to back to Dubai. I didn't like it. It was backwards. It was slow. Everything was slow because all what I remember is when I landed in America, I saw 7-lane highway. There's opportunities, there's growth. I'm not gonna leave here until I make something. I failed many times. Before I opened 20 stores, I closed about 7 stores. So I was closing because I wasn't having the process. But the higher you go in college, your college tell you not to take risk. But I have to take risk. Saving money, okay, my money's not gonna have babies if I save them. Let me put them, seriously. I don't want that 3%, 4%, because you hear lies and you believe the lies. I had a guy came from Florida, and he said, I see you having many stores. Let's start our own MVNO. So I had my savings, my $600,000. I put it in the table. We start, getting the airtime going, and the next day the guy disappeared, and the bank account was clean. No paperwork, no process. 27 years old, and with $500,000. Of course, I was stupid. It's gone, all of it gone. And that's when I started looking for a mentor that came to me by accident. I overextended. And I wanted to grow fast. So from 2008, that was my lesson. I said, no more. I said, I'm going to consult with a lawyer. I'll pay her $200, $300 to look at my agreement. Let me find my cousin who knows a lawyer to look at it for free. That's not going to work. I need it to happen right away. I just walked around, ran into the right guy. That changed my whole entire life. That's why I'm standing here talking. So I need a system. I need a team. The team is the bond. We need to bond and we need to work and grow together. When someone knocking your door and trying to sell you something, okay, tell me, give me your pitch. I want to hear what you got. Listen to it. So biggest issue in a lot of small businesses, they don't want to listen. What I want to get out of this today is I want to talk to everybody. I did not believe in myself that I can go to the next level. So you need to believe in yourself. But in order to make that, there is a process, which is talking to the right people, planning your growth. Okay, look at these pictures. If I want to be one of them, right? I don't want to study losers, but at the same time, none of us think of this. We never want to think of it. We block these pictures. Oh, I don't believe that shit. That's what I remember too. I was here. I owned a store. Yeah, there's no iPhone here. There's no iPhone. And I am selling here some air freshener because I want to make more money. Stupid, right? Just to make money because I know I need to get to the next level. But I knew there is someone doing something behind doors. I don't know what is it. And that's why I said I want to get to the next level, but I don't know how. Everybody over here, including me, want to grow our business. We didn't come over here just to hang out and check around. I mean, we're hanging out. That's fine. But what's next? The past 2 years has been hell on earth. Act. You know what I mean? This is a good company. I'm going to work with it. I have Curtis over here with a company, a great guy. He called me one day. He said, listen, I got a product. I said, let's do it. Because I know the guy is a good guy. I know he's awesome. I've known him for 10 years. I have his track record, worked for a great corporation. Why would he call me and give me bad product? I had a guy yesterday came in, and I have 6 stores. My goal is to get to 10 stores. I said, do you want to? Everybody wants to. You ask anybody, you want to be rich? Yeah. Are you willing to do what rich people do? No. I said, you want to open 10 stores? Okay, well, are you willing to do what the 10 stores require to do? No. He doesn't want to. And that's what is it. I said, when you're ready for change, give me a call. When your customer comes in and leave, which one is more valuable? Existing customer or new customers? Existing customers. That's a guaranteed repeating customer. So these guys, do you have any way to contact your existing customers? Yes. Beautiful. Okay. If you don't, big mistake. You're missing out money big time. You're leaving a lot of meat in the bone. If I walk into your place and say, I'll give you 1% reward or 2%, whatever, figure it out. I will come back to you. I want to be in your store to get something every time I visit. Give them a reason to come. Give them a value, attract them to your store. So stick with your business and invest and increase in your business. Computers, talk to people about laptops. There's no money. Dude, not everything you're going to double your money on it, right? And ask the right questions. How you doing, sir? What can I do for you? Well, I'm here to fix my screen cracked, or see how much it costs. Absolutely, okay, sure. Have a little conversation. Let my technician take a look at your phone. The thing is, that your employees is not going to do this if you don't tell them that. They're not going to know that until you talk to them. Give them a bonus. You know what, guys? Let me tell you this. Whoever's going to sell more accessories, 10 plus accessories, I'm giving you $2. Just get me 10 minimum. If you get the 10, 20, 30, there is a $20 bonus. There is $35 bonus, up to $100. Just give them numbers. You walk in with iPhone 11. I'm going to immediately go grab one of these new cases. I say, by the way, we got these new. They're awesome. Buy one, get one half price. Oh, I'm okay. I'm good. Okay, well, I'll hang it back again. I asked a question. He's not going to shoot me. He's not going to kill me. He's not going to be pissed. He's going to be teased and maybe come back later and buy it. Ask him again. Are you ready for that case? I know you are. Are you here for the new phone? Let me get you approved for the iPhone 12. Have that attitude, man. Every time you ask me, how much is this? It's on sale for this. If you ask me, how much is this? Every time. How much is this? Hey, yeah, it's on sale for $19.99, $29.99. On sale. The word on sale is always there. I never say the price without saying on sale. And when they ask on sale, oh, everybody's thinking on sale. I said, yeah, we have a special promotion. We didn't hang the sign yet, but it's coming. Thank you, everybody. This has been wonderful. I didn't know it was going to go this long. It's great. Enjoy the floor here. Let's sell more. Let's grow more. And thank you. Thank you so much for coming over here. Thank you. Thank you.